nandito na naman po tayo at parang nakakatamad kasi mainit yung panahon at mainit pa rin ang talakayan sa loob ng Senado usap sa impeachment proceeding na nangyayari. Iba't ibang video itong nakalap natin at nais ko lang ibahagi sa inyo. Siguro bibigyan natin ng konting komento itong mga video na ito at pag-usapan natin. At kung nais nyong mag-comment lang po kayo. So unang video nating tatalakayin ito yung kay Congresswoman Leila de Lima. Panoorin natin ang kanyang pahayag.
The evidence will show that she did. This case, Article 1, is about 612.5 million in confidential funds entrusted to VP Sara Duterte through the Office of the President and the Department of Education. This is not about one missing receipt. This is not about a clerical error or accounting mistake. The evidence will reveal a pattern, a systemic course of conduct that, taken as a whole, demonstrates graft and corruption and betrayal of public trust.
With the permission of the Honorable de Lima, yes, Counsel for
Your Honors, again, Your Honors, I think we have to object to the statements being made by the Honorable de Lima, with all due respect, of course. Your Honors, they can do that through the offer of their evidence, Your Honor.
Chair will instruct the Honorable de Lima to...
Maraming nagtataka bakit nag-object yung defense lawyer na si Attorney Poa dahil sa opening statement na ito ni de Lima. Ano kaya ang nabanggit dito ni de Lima at biglang nag-object itong abogado ng defense?
Limit her statements. I was listening intently in the beginning. It was okay, Honorable de Lima, but later on, you did make conclusions of law already, which the chair orders to be stricken from the record. You may wind up, Honorable de Lima, but kindly avoid conclusions of fact and law.
Your Honors, please, if I may just be given just
Yes,
a few seconds. Your Honors, ang naging problema natin nung huling pagkakataon na pinayagan natin yung ganitong statement at sinasabi na nga ng presiding officer is kahit naman i-strike off the record natin, narinig na po at nasabi na. So to allow, Your Honors, again, a continuation of such is really goes into the matter of fair play, Your Honor.
Honorable de Lima, kindly wind up. Again, you were forewarned beforehand to kindly limit your statements. Hence, you are faced again with a similar situation. Kindly wind up, Honorable de Lima, and call your witness.
Ang dami pong malalampasan sa aking opening statement because
Yes,
this is supposed to be an
again,
overview
it is the
of the
court's
case,
position,
the overview of the evidence.
to let the witnesses speak, not the counsels, insofar as the evidence is concerned or conclusions of both fact and law. Kindly wind up, Honorable de Lima.
I submit to Your Honors, and so I will wind up. Kapag ang isang impeachable officer, tulad ng pangalawang Pangulo, ay nabuso ang kapangyarihan sa paraang sumisira sa accountability,
Same objection, Your
sumusuway sa
Honor.
pananagutan, dapat pa ba siyang pagkatiwalaan? Dapat pa ba siyang manatili sa pwesto? When the Filipino people entrusted their money to Vice President Sara Duterte, was that trust honored? That question will not be answered by politics, by general denials, by press releases. It will be answered by the witnesses, by the documents, by audit, and by the evidence, and the prosecution is ready to present it. Sa kabuuan ng ebidensya, makitang hindi lang mga simpleng irregularidad ang nangyari.
Objection, Your Honor.
Malinaw
Again,
ito.
objection, Your Honor.
Honorable de Lima, I would have to stop you. I would have to stop you at this point.
Hindi ako sure pero parang yun ang dahilan yung paglalatag ni de Lima ng akusasyon na tila wala namang sapat na ebidensya na inilalatag. At yun nga, parang paulit-ulit na lang niyang sinasabi. Parang ang kanyang pagbigkas ay parang positibo na. Pero wala namang sapat na ebidensya na pinapakita. Kaya parang parang pinigilan na siya rito ng presiding officer.
The continuing objection of the respondent is duly noted. I would have to stop you at this point.
And I have to
my
stop
due
now.
apologies, but kindly call your witness already.
Thank you, Your Honors. I submit. Thank you very much.
Kindly call your witness, Representative Chua.
So parang ganun na nga no, 'di ba? Parang hinahanapan ng evidence si Congresswoman De Lima kasi wala siyang mailatag at na isa pa nagsalita nga siya nga kapag nagbigay daw siya ng hahaba daw at parang nagpapalusot 'di ba? So sabi nga ni magpakita siya ng ebidensya. Kaya siguro pinigilan yung kanina kasi wala pa siyang naipe-present pero parang positibo na ang kanyang salita na parang may parang may conclusion na kaagad Hindi ko kasi nasundan itong video na ito ni Erwin Tolpo kung ano ang simula nito ng kanyang mga katanungan dito sa isang witness na ito. Pero ang tinitingnan ko dito, itong witness na ito ay mula ito sa office ng Vice President. At yun nga, mukhang tungkol ito sa withdrawal. Siguro yung withdrawal ng budget ng Office of the Vice President. Yun ang parang yun ang tinatanong dito ni Senator Erwin Tolpo.
Normal po ba na ganito kalaki ang wini-withdraw ng isang government agency? Is this normal? Nakakita ka na ba nito ng other government agencies na ganito kalaki ang withdrawal?
Wala po. Unusual po ito.
Unusual yung withdrawal. So therefore, kung unusual, Madam Witness, hindi mo kayo nagtanong man lang, para saan po ba kayo ito? Kasi alam ko sa bangko po, nagtatanong. Ako po, nagbabangko ko sa privado. Natatanong po yung staff ko, para saan ba gagamitin ni Sir ito, ni Sir? Hindi na ba ninyo tinatanong?
Kasi po may advice naman po siya. So, kumbaga dumaan naman po ito sa proseso nila. Kaya, I don't think po na
Pero
magtanong pa kami.
what is the SOP? Ano po yung standard operating procedure pag may mga malalaking withdrawal? Or exempted pag mga government agency, lalo po't mga matataas na ahensya ng pamahalaan?
Wala na pong exemption. Kaya lang po itong sa particular na transaction po ng OVP, bali meron naman po kasi silang fino-forward advice po sa branch.
So, inyo pong napanood yung dalawang video na ating ibinahagi rito at kung nais mong magbigay ng iyong opinion, komento, reaction kaugnay dito sa ibinahagi nating video na ito, mag-comment lang sa comment section sa mismong video na ito. Hanggang sa muli, maraming salamat. Bye-bye!